Welcome to my YouTube channel, where today we're diving into something truly remarkable. The 2026 GMC Savana van, a vehicle that has surprised everyone with its bold return and futuristic transformation. This is not just a van anymore. It's a symbol of strength, versatility, and high-end comfort blended into one incredible package. Buckle up, because what GMC has done this year will completely change how you see a utility van. The 2026 GMC Savana doesn't just carry cargo, it carries presence. With its all-new aggressive front fascia, massive LED headlights, and aerodynamic body redesign, this van looks more powerful and premium than ever before. The bold GMC grille up front gives it a commanding road stance, while sleek body lines and upgraded alloy wheels add that modern edge that truly stands out on city roads or open highways. Under the hood, GMC brings in options that redefine performance. The base model now features a 6.6-liter V8 engine that delivers immense torque for hauling and towing. But that's not all. GMC has also introduced a hybrid and a fully electric variant, making the 2026 Savana more fuel-efficient and eco-friendly than ever. Whether you're using it for business, travel, or conversion into a luxury camper, this van now gives you the muscle and flexibility to go anywhere, anytime. Inside, the transformation is stunning. GMC has thrown away the old utilitarian feel and introduced a luxury-grade cabin that feels more like a premium SUV. Plush leather seats, a massive 15-inch infotainment screen with the latest GMC IntelliLink system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a digital driver display that feels futuristic. Everything has been upgraded for comfort and control. The sound insulation is top-tier, giving you a quiet ride even on rough roads, while the automatic climate system ensures everyone on board stays cool and comfortable. But what really stands out is the versatility. The 2026 Savana can be configured for anything: a family van, a luxury shuttle, a mobile office, or even a full-fledged camper van. GMC has made the interior modular, meaning the seats can be removed, rotated, or folded flat to create space for whatever you need. For business owners, it's a powerful commercial tool. For travelers, it's a mini home on wheels. Safety also takes a huge leap forward this year. The Savana now includes advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and a full 360-degree camera system. GMC clearly wants this van to feel as smart as it is strong. In short, the 2026 GMC Savana is more than an update. It's a reinvention. It's built for those who demand performance, space, and reliability without sacrificing style or technology. Whether you're hitting the road for work or adventure, this van gives you everything in one bold package. So what do you think about the all-new Savana? Is this the comeback of the century for GMC's legendary van? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the review, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.